It often starts subtly, an extra trip to the bathroom during the day, a feeling of not quite being finished. Then it begins to creep into your nights, waking up once, then twice, then what feels like every hour. You see the clock tick past 2 a.m., then 3 a.m., and you know tomorrow's meeting will be a struggle. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a silent thief, stealing your rest, your energy, and your focus. You find yourself mapping out every bathroom location before you even enter a new place. Long car rides become a source of anxiety. A simple night out at the movies is interrupted. This constant nagging pressure doesn't just affect your body, it weighs on your mind and chips away at your confidence. If this sounds familiar, you are far from alone. Over half of men over 40 and up to 80% of men over 60 face the challenges of an aging prostate. It's a natural part of life, but the consequences can be anything but. The medical term is benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. As the prostate gland enlarges, it puts pressure on the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the body. This pressure is what leads to that weak stream, the frustrating stops and starts, the feeling of urgency, and the inability to completely empty your bladder. For too long, the options felt limited, leaving millions of men to believe this was just something they had to endure. But what if there was a way to fight back, naturally and effectively? What if you could support your body's health and reclaim the comfort and freedom you deserve? Introducing Total Control 24, a revolutionary, 100% natural remedy, meticulously formulated and designed to provide comprehensive support for a healthy prostate. This isn't just another supplement, it's a targeted nutritional solution crafted to address the root causes of your discomfort, improve your urinary flow, and ultimately restore your quality of life. With Total Control 24, you can stop planning your life around the bathroom and start living it again on your own terms. The power of Total Control 24 lies in its synergistic blend of clinically researched all-natural ingredients. We've sourced the purest, most potent extracts to create a formula that works. At the heart of our formula is a high-potency saw palmetto extract. For centuries, this incredible berry has been used to support urinary health. Modern science suggests it works by helping to maintain healthy hormone balance within the prostate, which is crucial for managing its size and reducing inflammation. Next, we include beta-sitosterol, a powerful plant sterol found in fruits and vegetables. Studies have shown that beta-sitosterol can significantly improve urinary symptoms, including strengthening urine flow and reducing the amount of urine left in the bladder after you go. We then add stinging nettle root, which works in harmony with saw palmetto. It helps to further support urinary tract health and is particularly effective in addressing issues like frequent nighttime urination, allowing you to achieve that deep, restorative sleep you've been missing. But we didn't stop there. Total Control 24 also includes essential micronutrients like zinc, often called the man's mineral, which is found in high concentrations in a healthy prostate, and Pygium africanum, an extract from the bark of the African plum tree, renowned for its protective anti-inflammatory properties. Each ingredient is chosen for a specific purpose, and together they create a powerful alliance for your prostate health. Unlike prescription medications that can come with a long list of unwanted side effects, Total Control 24 offers a safe, natural path to relief. So, what can you expect when you make Total Control 24 part of your daily routine? First, imagine waking up feeling refreshed. By reducing the urge to go, our formula helps you sleep through the night uninterrupted. This means more energy, better focus, and a brighter mood throughout your day. Second, experience the relief of a stronger, more consistent urinary stream. No more standing and waiting, no more frustrating dribbles. Regain the satisfaction of feeling completely empty and in control. This renewed comfort extends throughout your day, reducing that constant distracting urgency. You'll feel more confident during work meetings, on the golf course, or while playing with your grandkids. Total Control 24 gives you the freedom to live spontaneously again. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what men just like you are saying. Robert, a 62-year-old from Texas, told us, I was getting up 4 or 5 times a night. I was exhausted and irritable. My wife convinced me to try Total Control 24. And after about a month, I was sleeping for 6 hours straight. It's been a complete game changer for my energy and my marriage. Then there's Michael, a 55-year-old who loves road trips. He says, I used to dread any drive longer than an hour. I'd have to plan every single stop. It was embarrassing. Since starting Total Control 24, I drove 3 hours to see my daughter without stopping once. That feeling of freedom is priceless. These are the real-world results that drive us. Our formula is trusted by men worldwide, reflected in our unmatched customer satisfaction and exceptionally low refund rates. Incorporating Total Control 24 into your life is simple. Just take 2 easy-to-swallow capsules once a day with a meal. That's it. For best results, consistency is key. While some men report feeling improvements within a few weeks, the powerful ingredients build up in your system over time. We recommend taking Total Control 24 for at least 90 days to experience the full spectrum of benefits as your body adjusts and your prostate health is progressively supported. Every bottle is produced in a state-of-the-art GMP certified facility right here in the USA, ensuring what you see on the label is exactly what you get in every capsule. Pure, potent, and safe. We know you might have questions, so let's address some of the most common ones. 1. Are there any side effects? Total Control 24 is made from 100% natural ingredients that are generally very well tolerated. It is free from gluten, dairy, soy, and artificial additives. However, as with any supplement, we recommend you consult with your healthcare provider before beginning any new health regimen. 2. How is this different from other prostate formulas? Many supplements use low-quality, ineffective doses or miss key ingredients. Total Control 24 is a comprehensive formula that uses clinically relevant amounts of high-potency extracts, all working together to provide maximum benefit. We focus on quality and synergy, not just a long list of ingredients. And the most important question, what if it doesn't work for me? We are so confident in the power of Total Control 24 that we stand behind it with an ironclad 60-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you are not fully satisfied with your results, if you're not sleeping better and feeling more comfortable, simply contact our friendly customer service team and we will refund 100% of your purchase price. We want you to feel completely secure in your decision to try Total Control 24. You have absolutely nothing to risk and a life of comfort and confidence to gain. Now is the time to stop letting prostate issues dictate your life. It's time to take back control of your comfort, your sleep, and your confidence. For a limited time, we are offering a special discount for new customers through this video. You can choose from our popular 3-bottle package or get our best value and ensure you never run out with the 6-bottle family pack. The choice is yours, but the time to act is now. Don't spend another night tossing and turning. Don't spend another day feeling anxious and uncomfortable. Take control of your prostate health today. Click the link right below in the description to be taken to our secure order page. Select your package, fill out your information, and we'll ship your order directly to your door in discreet packaging. Join the thousands of men who have found relief and rediscovered their vitality with Total Control 24. Click the link now and order yours. Reclaim your comfort and your freedom naturally.